Just think if that was your hand. You could like fight crime with that hand. Hey, what are we making today?
We are making a paloma. Or palomas rather. Because I'm going to make one for me and one for you.
All right, do you want to tell us what ingredients we have?
You want to talk about ingredients before we talk about the drink? Okay, so tequila. We love Tres Agaves, blanco tequila. Definitely, I like the blanco tequilas a lot. A little bit of organic light agave. It's my own twist on it. We have some grapefruit juice, which if I lifted it might tip and I'm nervous. Fresh squeezed. We have lime juice, fresh squeezed. And did I mention the club soda? And then of course, standard tools, the shaker, measuring, some cute ice cubes, because that's how we roll. Okay.
Let's talk about things. Hey, I'm Chris.
Hi Chris, are you on that side usually?
Yeah, I just thought
Get on your side.
I'm Chris, I'm your husband.
What?
I've been married to you.
I'm married?
Jesus. You're not even sure that you're married. So we're gonna make a paloma? Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
Just had to straighten that out because I have, what's it called when you're like really worried about?
It's OCD.
Is that what you were just whispering to the camera?
Yeah.
It's like you're always whispering to the fans or the watchers or the viewers. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her whisper. And we actually are big fans of palomas, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Do you know what? I actually did some homework. I know what a paloma is about.
Yes,
at least.
and I totally forgot.
Okay, so the history, it's a little, people don't know for sure, but they think it's named after La Paloma, the dove, which was a popular folk song back in Mexico in the like 1860s. Mm-hmm. So that's what they think it is. It's like the working man's drink. It's the most popular tequila-based drink in Mexico, apparently. And it might have actually been invented by some guy in Tequila Mexico. His last name was Corona, of all names. Oh. He was like some bartender with some fancy bar. We'll try to get the information and pop it down below, or we won't. And I'm just pointing down because whatever. But I did some homework. That's pretty amazing, isn't it?
High five. I'm impressed with my husband.
I'm actually impressed I remembered all that.
I might be a video replication.
Are we doing the robot? Because I really like to do the robot.
Well, I was being a video replication of myself. Imagined as a robot.
What is a video?
Well, like those fake, like where they're making people that aren't real do, like.
Hologram?
I don't know. You were talking about how it's going to be such a bad thing in the coming years.
Deep fake? Deep fake, yeah. You were doing a deep fake of yourself.
I was doing a deep fake.
She was doing a deep fake of herself. That was pretty, yeah. Okay. I don't think you understand what a deep fake is. Because it is not robotic moves.
My deep fake would.
I am a deep fake robot. Okay. I want a paloma.
All right, you're thirsty?
I'm going to get out of here. Okay?
All right.
So see ya.
I'm going to make some drinks up.
I don't know, should we maybe do a video where I just stand here right next to you and watch? What if I was just like looking over your shoulder? Are you doing this right? Did you pour enough alcohol for me?
I love my husband.
Okay, so I was alarmed today when I read that each paloma was to have a 1/4 cup of tequila. However, I then did the math on it, and a 1/4 cup is 2 ounces, which is what we've been putting in most of our drinks. So it sounds alarming, but it's not. So here we go, 1 for Chris, 1 for me. Although these are 2-ounce shots. So 2 for Chris, 2 for me. And then our recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed. This is a 1/2 cup. So there's some for Chris and some for me. And then we're gonna need a couple of tablespoons of lime juice. One, 2. Again, fresh squeezed. I always use fresh squeezed. Okay, so then use some organic light agave. And I'm putting 2 teaspoons of that in. Ooh, I better add in the ice before I shake it all up. Ready?
Hey, honey, don't forget the ice.
Hot, hot, hot. Ah! Ah! He's so close to me. Don't stand so close to me. Here we go. Okay, now also, I have a little bit of salt here that I am going to dip each of our glasses into. There we go. And then some fancy ice. All right, we did it. And here we go. Am I close? Am I close?
Yeah, pretty close. Good enough. Good enough.
Oh, that's beautiful. How much more accurate could I be? My gosh.
Okay.
Okay, so then they need to be topped with some club soda. It'd be so much fun to like just be momming customers. Listen here, buddy. If I say I'm making you perfection, you will have perfection and enjoy it. Didn't seem crazy at all, did it? Okay, so then just a couple little fun dried grapefruit, and then a couple of these. Voila. Are you ready to give this a try?
Yeah.
Ooh, although it is a little cluttered, I apologize.
And it's okay.
You just want your drink.
I do.
Are you gonna take one out of my hand?
Oh, your hand's getting cold?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna move this to.
Okay,
no, I'm gonna drop it in.
I'm gonna follow your lead on that because I've had
we've
issues
hit
before.
we've hit ourselves in the nose before.
I did.
All right, let's try
Cheers.
these palomas. Oh, wait.
Cling.
Perfect drink for summertime.
Yes, nice and relaxing. I think we'll have to go sit out on the front porch.
Let's go do that. You want to do this? Double thumbs up, yum?
Yeah,
All right.
I'm all
Hey,
about the double thumbs up, yum.
double thumbs up, yum.
Delicioso.
Your hands are cold. Good job.
I know, because I was holding 2 cold drinks.
Here, put it in the heater.
Here.
Put it in the heater. This is what we do during the wintertime. She puts her hands inside my armpits. It's love.
Sometimes we do that during the summertime too. Because my hands get
actually,
cold
it is
a lot of
summertime.
the time.
Is it just one hand that's cold, or you want both the hands in the
This
heaters?
one's not so bad.
Put them in the heaters. Oh wow, you crossed. This is kind of weird. Leisure testing complete.
Oh!
Did that hurt?
No.
Did I hurt you?
No, you didn't. Thank you so much for watching the Chris+Mel Show. Be sure to take a moment and like this video. Comment below on what drink you think we should make next. Then subscribe and ring that bell, because then you're gonna find out about our next drinks and you're gonna wanna know how we make the next delicious drink.